What is this? Are you recording?
It's a great pumpkin.
You want me to take it out?
Please.
The recording, yes.
Alright.
I didn't see that part.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Agbasieli.
Hi, good evening, sir.
So you're telling me that you have a lawyer.
Yeah,
Who is your lawyer?
Attorney Rehan.
Who is it?
Rehan?
See if they filed it. Do you know if this person is going to show up today?
Yeah, he's there.
Okay. We're just going to do probable cause now. You now are charged with unlawful restraint. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you. We will do this now. And then after that, we will just have you wait right over there for your lawyer to come. Hopefully they will show up. Okay.
Thank
I
you,
love
Your
it.
Honor.
Good morning.
On August 5th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a hostage event at a townhouse in Harris County, Texas. The reporting, who is the project manager of the townhouse complex, called 911. The reporting indicated that the defendant was wearing an all-black religious garment and had a face mask. She had locked one of his employees, the complaining witness, inside a townhouse against his will. The reporting advised that the defendant was trying to evict a witness, or trying to get a witness to self-evict. She was trying to get the witness, who is her tenant in the townhouse, to self-evict by shutting down the power and water to the unit repeatedly. The complaining witness, who is the maintenance man for the townhouse complex, went to go check on the tenants to see if they were okay. The reportee indicated that the defendant locked the steel gate, which would not allow the complaining witness to leave. A key lock on the front and key lock on the back side. The tenant did not have the key to the back side of it, so if she locks the front, there's no way to pass through the gate.
Okay. So the unlawful restraint is
Yes, Your Honor.
outside?
It's a gate, and then like the gate in the porch, on the porch, like a burglar gate.
Okay, so I'm assuming, so here's the door,
Mhm.
and then you have, I guess, what, like those black burglar bars that they
Yes,
say?
Your Honor.
So he couldn't get into the house
He couldn't get out of the house.
and he couldn't
She
get
locked
out,
him in the house without electricity or air conditioning.
and no back door to get out, no window? I don't understand.
We're getting there, Your Honor. When officers arrived, they spoke with the complaining witness, who said that he escaped 5 minutes prior, and the defendant and the witness were still inside the home. The complaining witness reported the house was really hot because the air conditioning wasn't on. Complaining witness stated the back patio door was also locked, and the defendant had locked him in. Defendant had made a motion at the time to her purse, which the complaining witness believed, or which made the complaining witness believe that she had a gun. The witness collaborated the complaining witness's story, and
I don't understand how this person cannot just unlock the door and leave from,
it was locked. It's so the doors, instead of having a push button on one end and then a key lock on both sides, on the other side, it's a key lock on both sides.
on both sides?
That's the doors, Your Honor, which the maintenance man, the complaining witness, indicated was a violation of the fire code.
But that's neither here nor there, but doesn't this person have a master key? Or I guess this is a residence,
He
right?
doesn't have a master key, Your Honor. He's the maintenance man for like the condo association. So he maintains the condo. Each of the units has its own keys.
How long was allegedly stuck in the house and how did he get out? This is unusual. And why? Was there did this, well, I guess,
He was attempting to turn the power and water back on in the unit because she has been repeatedly turning off the power from the tenants who live there. He told her repeatedly that he wanted to leave.
so presumably she's outside at this time?
She's in there with him, Your Honor. She asked him to sit down on a chair. There's a video that shows complainant asking defendant to let him go multiple times, and with her telling the complainant to shut up. I don't have the means by which he had left the apartment, Your Honor. I just know that he got out at some point. In fact, he got out 5 minutes before the officers arrived.
So he was able to leave 5 minutes before the officers arrived?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did she let him go?
So it says, for the OR, at least, the duration of time, I know that was asked, was an hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna see how he left. I'm trying to read through the OR to supplement your questions, Judge.
I don't know if I'm ready to rule yet. Ms. Agbasieli, are you sure that you're going to have a lawyer here today? Because I'd like to hear your side.
My lawyer, yeah.
Um,
Attorney Rehan, yeah.
I don't want to rule just yet, but I'd like to hear your side. If there's,
I'd like to be silent. I'd like to wait on my lawyer.
well, right, I'm right. And I'm not asking you to say anything now, when that person gets here, then you talk with them and then we can
Yeah, sure.
readdress
Yes, sir.
PC at
Yes,
that.
you're right.
So do you mind just taking a seat for me and then just giving us a heads up when your lawyer comes? Come, Miss Aguacieli, come up, ma'am.
I explained to her the no contact there.
Okay, great. Okay, I am for now, I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward. If something develops in the future, I've told that you guys can come back and we can argue about probable cause. The only thing I'm going to ask you is please do not have contact with the complaining witness in this case and don't be in possession of any weapons. As long as you can abide by these and you do not pick up any new cases, you will be fine with us. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but please stay in contact. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I will issue a warrant. Okay? Do you have any questions? Okay, so just no contact, no weapons, and that's it. Okay?
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Just to go back to the body cam issue itself, right? The body cam issue itself, like, say if I were to file a motion to restore property or return property, it's been tagged, so I don't know how we're gonna.
I mean, I don't think that you would have any opposition to that, would you?
I do, at this juncture, I think
What
Pavel
was
said
that?
the body cam, like to retrieve her body cameras from HPD evidence.
On a motion to restore, Judge, I just need to talk to the investigator and see if we're retrieving it anyways.
If you're what?
If we're gonna retrieve that footage to make it available, I think we're already in the process of doing that. That's the only thing that's holding me back. But right now, I'm object because of, it's a part of a pending investigation. At this point, I just need to confirm it with the investigator.
Do you want to set it a couple weeks just to see if that happens?
Yeah, I mean, I really just need a week, but yeah, a couple weeks.
Are we,
Right?
Judge, because like I said. he's
I'm
not-
awaiting her appearance.
Oh, absolutely.
So, I mean, she's not gonna have to come here, so
2 weeks will suffice, Judge.
whatever you want, I don't care. Yeah, because you guys fight over whatever day, and then, I mean, if you want to, I'll grant your motion to get it back, though.
Yes, sir.
If they're not gonna get it back first, so.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, thank you, Judge.
Have a week.
Thank you for watching this case. We have more on the channel, such as a case where a judge went off on a woman abuser in court.
You're gonna live it with me now. Because one false move, I'm gonna make your bond so high, your head will spontaneously combust. But no one, and I mean no one, should have to live with that kind of fear.